Meaning of hendecagon.
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 Hendecagon. Hendecagon is a geometric shape with 11 sides. The word hendecagon is derived from the Greek words hendeca, meaning 11, and gonia, meaning angle. It is a convex polygon that has 11 vertices and 11 internal angles. A regular hendecagon has all its sides and angles equal. Hendecagons are not often used in practical applications, however, they are occasionally used in mathematics and geometry as an example of an irregular polygon. Understanding the properties and characteristics of various shapes, such as the hendecagon, is important in fields like architecture and engineering.